Welcome to our video on Balinese spot bathroom ideas, where we'll explore the serene and luxurious aesthetics inspired by Bali's tranquil retreats. In this video, we'll dive into 5 unique styles that transform any bathroom into a personal spa oasis. Whether you're looking for nature charm or minimalist elegance, we have ideas to inspire your next renovation. Balinese spa bathrooms are renowned for their harmonious connection to nature, and our first style, nature-infused tranquility, captures this perfectly. This design brings Bali's lush, tropical environment indoors, creating a serene retreat that feels deeply connected to the natural world. Imagine a bathroom with large windows opening to a vibrant green landscape, where indoor plants seamlessly blend with the outdoor foliage. Key to this style are natural materials like stone and wood, which dominate the space and give it an earthy, grounded feel. Textured stone walls and wooden accents create a warm, organic atmosphere that reflects the rugged beauty of the Balinese landscape. These materials are paired with a soft, neutral color palette of greens, beige and earthy tones evoking the calming essence of nature. The natural lighting in this design is equally important. Soft, diffused light filtering through the windows enhances the tranquil atmosphere and highlights the natural textures throughout the space. This is a bathroom where you can feel truly connected to nature, as though you've stepped into a luxurious tropical spa surrounded by lush greenery. Traditional Balinese architectural elements, like open-air designs and thatched roofs, are often incorporated to bring in the essence of outdoor living. Using indoor plants further strengthens this connection, creating an environment that feels alive and refreshing. The key is to balance these natural elements with modern spa luxuries, such as a deep stone bathtub or rainfall shower, ensuring the space feels indulgent and calming. Finally, this design is about creating a mood of peaceful retreat. Whether you're soaking in a tub surrounded by tropical plants or enjoying the gentle light filtering in, the nature-infused tranquility bathroom offers a serene escape from the hustle of everyday life. The modern Balinese retreat style combines sleek, contemporary design with the calming influences of traditional Balinese aesthetics, creating a bathroom that's both stylish and serene. This look is perfect for those who appreciate minimalist design, but don't want to lose the organic beauty of Bali's tropical environments. Key to this style is the use of clean lines and open spaces. Picture a spacious bathroom with floor-to-ceiling glass windows that offer a panoramic view of lush tropical gardens or a private courtyard. These expansive windows create a seamless connection between the indoor space and nature, making the bathroom feel much larger and more open. For materials, smooth stone surfaces, and rich, dark woods are commonly used. The textures are sleek and polished, contributing to the minimalist feel, while still adding an element of warmth and natural beauty. The color palette is neutral, with shades of soft gray, beige, and white allowing the natural surroundings to take center stage. Lighting plays a critical role in the modern Balinese retreat. Soft ambient lighting, often hidden in recesses or behind mirrors, creates a calming glow throughout the space. This subtle lighting enhances the clean lines and simple forms of the design, contributing to the overall feeling of relaxation and luxury. Traditional Balinese elements like wooden beams or bamboo screens are incorporated in a minimalist way, adding texture and cultural depth without overwhelming the modern aesthetic. The goal is to create a space that feels both modern and connected to Bali's rich design heritage. This style is perfect for those who want the luxury of a modern spa experience combined with the tranquility of Bali's natural beauty. It's sleek, elegant, and calming, an ideal balance of contemporary design and traditional serenity. The jungle edge serenity bathroom style transports you to the heart of Bali's wild tropical landscapes. This design is perfect for those who want to immerse themselves in nature while still enjoying the luxury of a spa-like experience. Imagine a bathroom that opens up to the edge of a dense jungle, where the lush greenery and the sounds of nature create an incredibly peaceful environment. At the core of this style is the seamless integration of indoor and outdoor spaces. The bathroom is often open air, allowing you to feel as though you are bathing in the middle of the jungle. Wooden accents and natural stone textures dominate the design, giving it an organic, rustic feel that complements the wildness of the surrounding landscape. Deep, earthy tones of green, brown, and beige are used to reflect the colors of the jungle. These shades create a calming, grounded atmosphere that helps to reinforce the connection to the natural world. The textures, from the rough stone walls to the smooth wood surfaces, provide a tactile experience that enhances the feeling of being in a natural environment. The lighting is soft and natural, with dappled sunlight filtering through the leaves of the jungle or soft evening light, creating a warm glow. This subtle lighting highlights the natural beauty of the materials used in the space while also creating a peaceful, relaxing mood. Balinese architectural elements, such as open spaces and organic forms, are used to create a design that feels both traditional and deeply connected to nature. The overall effect is a bathroom that feels like a true retreat, luxurious yet wild, serene yet untamed, for those who want to feel truly immersed in the beauty of Bali's jungles, while enjoying the luxury of a spa. The jungle edge serenity style offers the perfect balance of nature and indulgence. The water garden escape bathroom design draws inspiration from Bali's serene water gardens, creating a tranquil, spa-like environment that feels deeply connected to nature. This style is perfect for those who want to incorporate the calming, refreshing qualities of water into their bathroom design. Central to this style is the use of water features such as small ponds, waterfalls, or even a stone bathtub surrounded by water. These elements create a soothing, peaceful atmosphere while also adding a touch of luxury to the space. Natural stone and wood textures complement the water elements, giving the bathroom an organic, earthy feel. The color palette consists of soft, muted tones of green, blue, and beige, reflecting the calming colors of water and nature. These colors create a peaceful, relaxing atmosphere, while the textures of the stone and wood add warmth and depth to the space. Lighting plays a crucial role in the water garden escape. Soft, natural light reflecting off the water creates a soothing, tranquil glow while also highlighting the natural beauty of the materials used in the space. This lighting enhances the overall spa-like feel of the bathroom, making it a perfect space for relaxation and rejuvenation. Balinese architectural elements such as open spaces and organic forms are used to create a design that feels both traditional and deeply connected to nature. The overall effect is a bathroom that feels like a true retreat, luxurious yet grounded, serene yet invigorating. For those who want to feel truly connected to the calming beauty of water while enjoying the luxury of a spa, the water garden escape style offers the perfect balance of nature and indulgence. The Minimalist Bamboo Haven bathroom design combines the clean, simple lines of minimalist design with the natural warmth of bamboo, creating a serene, spa-like retreat. This style is perfect for those who appreciate the elegance of simplicity, but still want a space that feels connected to nature. Central to this style is the use of bamboo, which is incorporated into the design in various ways, from bamboo accents on the walls to bamboo screens that provide privacy. These elements add a touch of natural warmth to the space, while also creating a sense of connection to the tropical surroundings of Bali. The color palette consists of soft, neutral tones of beige, light green, and white, creating a calming, serene atmosphere. The textures are sleek and polished, contributing to the minimalist feel while still adding an element of warmth and natural beauty. Natural light is essential in the minimalist bamboo haven. Large windows or skylights allow soft, diffused light to fill the space, enhancing the overall feeling of calm and serenity. This lighting also highlights the natural beauty of the bamboo and stone elements used in the space. Traditional Balinese architectural elements, such as open-air spaces and organic forms, are incorporated in a minimalist way, adding texture and cultural depth without overwhelming the design. The goal is to create a space that feels both modern and connected to the rich design heritage of Bali. The overall mood of this bathroom is one of peaceful retreat. The minimalist bamboo haven is a space where you can unwind and relax, surrounded by the calming beauty of nature and the simplicity of minimalist design. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and share with us any design ideas you'd like us to feature in our next videos. And until next time,